right, I am back. We got quarter 1, 3, spiral review Wednesday, 12 times 937. I have already written that out on my paper over here. 2 times 7 is 14, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to scratch off that 1 so I don't re-add it when I move over a place value. Put my placeholder in. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 9 is 9. Adding everything up, 4 plus 0 is 4, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. 11,244. All right, find the quotient, 288 divided by 8. I already have that written down. So we've got 8 will go into 2. Nope, 8 will go into 28. 3 times without going over. 3 times 8 is 24. All right, 4 is less than 8, but I do have another number to drop down. I know that 8 will go into 48 6 times with a remainder of 0. So 36 should be my quotient. Let's check our work. 36 times 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. 288. Perfect. Find the sum, 65 and 53 hundredths plus 4 and 85 hundredths. I've already had that written down. Make sure you line up your place values. You can go ahead and bring your decimal down. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry your 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. 70 and 38 hundredths. Let's find the difference. 126 and 78 hundredths minus 65 and 98 hundredths. I've already written that down. Again, lining up your place values. Go ahead and bring your decimal down. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 9, you cannot do. I'm going to borrow from this place value. It becomes 5. This becomes 17 tenths. Minus 9 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 2 minus 6, I cannot do. I'm going to borrow. That becomes a 12 minus 6. 60 and 80 hundredths. All right, using less than equal to, or excuse me, less than greater than or equal to. 678 and 5 hundredths is greater than 67 and 805 thousandths. 30 and 30 hundredths is greater than 30 and 3 hundredths. Simplify each fraction, 9/27ths. We're going to divide by the greatest number that will go into both the numerator and denominator, which would be 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3, 1/3. All right, 2 22nds. So what number can I divide into both? 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 22 divided by 2 would be 11, 1/11. All right, solve the expression using, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 3 times 6 plus 6 minus 2. So parentheses come first. I'm going to go ahead and write this, though, on my paper. It's a little crowded there. I don't have a lot of room. So here we go. So I'm going to keep everything the same. This is going to become 3 times 12. Oh, excuse me. That should be that. It's okay. Minus 2. This is why you should use a pencil, not a pen. But you know what I could not find this morning was my pencil. So I improvised. 3 times 12, I know, is 36. Minus 2 is 34. All right, draw a model to represent the following problem, 5 times 3. So I can, if I'm not sure, I can look back at the previous day. Let's see, that was 3 times 4 equals 12, and they did pencils. So 5 times 3, I could just do 5 equal groups of 3 items. So I'm going to do 5 circles. And inside each circle, I'm going to draw 3 hearts. With math pictures, I'm not looking at your artistic ability. I'm just seeing, did you get the problem? So 5 times 3 would be 15. Alrighty, what is 32 and 43 thousandths in expanded form? I'm expanding it out, so I'm writing down each place value. So that 3 in the tens is a 30 plus 2 plus, since there's a 0 in the tenths place, I don't have to write that down. I look at the 4, though, that's in the hundredths place, so that's 4 times 100th plus 3 times 1,000th. So that's how it will be in expanded form. Okay? Label each place value. The 2's already been done. That was in the tenths. The 0 here is in the hundredths. The 9 is in the thousandths. The 4 is in the ones. 5 is in the tens, and the 7 is in the thousands. Alrighty. That is Wednesday's spiral review.